자, 자, 낭독 연습 해보겠습니다. 네. 자, My name is부터 한번 시작해 볼게요. 읽어보겠습니다.
My name is Humpty Dumpty.
제 이름은 험프티 덤프티입니다.
This was my favorite spot.
여기가 내가 가장 좋아하는 장소고요.
High up on the wall.
바로 담장 최고 위에 여기가 내가 좋아하는 장소입니다.
I know
저는 알고 있어요.
it's an odd place
네, 여기 조금 이상한 장소죠?
for an egg
달걀 알이
to be.
알이 있기에는 좀 이상한 장소인 것 같아요. 높으니까요.
But
하지만
I loved
저는 정말 좋아해요.
being close
가까이 있는 것을요.
to
The birds.
the birds.
새 가까이 있는 걸 정말 좋아합니다.
Then one day
그러던 어느 날
I fell.
제가 떨어졌어요.
Pat
Sort of.
sort of
저는 좀
famous for
유명해요.
that part.
그러한 부분에서 좀 유명합니다. 좀 잘 떨어지거든요.
Folks
사람들이 called it.
called it
자, 부르기를
the Great Fall,
위대한 추락이라고 불렀습니다.
which sounds
약간 어떻게 들리냐면
a little grand.
좀 거창하게 좀 들리죠.
It was
그냥
just,
그것은
just an accident,
그냥 사고였을 뿐이에요.
but
하지만
it changed
그것이 바꾸었어요.
my life.
내 삶을 통째로 다 바꾸어 버렸어요. 계속 가보자. 자, 이제 병원에 왔습니다. 킹스 카운티 하스피털에 왔어요.
뭐였지?
킹스 군 병원입니다. Fortunately,
Fortunately,
다행스럽게도
the Kingsman
그 병원에 있던 사람들이 managed to
managed to
가까스로 겨우
put me back together.
저를 다시 이렇게 합쳐줬어요.
Where
그러니까 근데
wrecked me,
most of me
most of me.
저의 대부분을 이렇게 합쳐줬어요.
There were
Some parts
some parts
어떤 부분들이 있었어요.
that could be
여기까지. They couldn't be healed.
they couldn't be healed
치료될 수 없는 부분이 있었어요.
with bandages and glue.
붕대와 풀로는 도저히 치료될 수 없는 부분들이 있었어요.
After that day,
그날 이후로
I became
저는
afraid of
height,
height.
높이를 두려워하게 되었어요.
I was so scared
너무 무서워서
that
그래서
it
kept me
kept me
그 두려움이 저를 붙잡았어요.
from enjoying some of my favorite things.
내가 좋아하는 것들, 내가 가장 좋아하는 것들 중에 일부를 즐기는 것을 못하게 막았습니다.
I walked
저는 걸었어요. past
past the
The wall.
wall every day,
매일 그 벽 옆을 지나서 걸었습니다.
and I would think about
그리고 생각을 하곤 했었어요.
climbing that ladder. 뭐였지?
again
Again.
다시 그 사다리를 올라가는 것을 생각을 하곤 했었어요.
뭐였지?
I really had.
I really missed the birds
나는 새가 너무 그리웠고
and being high above the city.
도시 위에 높은 곳에 있는 것을 그리워하게 되었어요.
But
하지만
I could never do it.
저는 그것을 할 수가 없었어요.
being close
because 왜냐하면
I knew that
저는 알고 있었어요. accident
accidents
사고가
can happen.
다시 일어날 수도 있으니까요. 오케이, 여기까지 잘 읽었고요. 아빠랑 같이 한 번만 읽어보고 마무리하겠습니다. 네, 따라했습니다. My name is Humpty Dumpty.
My name is Humpty Dumpty.
글자를 보세요. 글자랑 아빠 목소리랑 발음을 매치하세요. This was
This was
my favorite spot,
my favorite spot,
high up on the world.
high up on the world.
I know
I know
it's an other place
it's an other place
for an egg
for an egg
to be,
to be,
but
but
I loved
I loved
being close to
being close to
the birds.
the bird.
Then one day
Then one day
I fell.
I fell.
I'm sort of
I'm sort of
famous for
famous for
that part.
that part.
Force called it
Force called it
the Great Fall,
the Great Fall,
which sounds
which sounds
a little grand.
a little grand.
It was
It was
just an accident,
just an accident,
but it changed
but it changed
my life.
my life.
Fortunately,
Fortunately,
all the king's men
all the king's men
managed to
managed to
put me back together.
put me back together.
Well, most of me.
Well, most of me.
There were
There were
some parts
some parts
that couldn't be healed
that couldn't be healed
with bandages.
with bandages,
With bandages
bandages
and glue.
and glue.
After that day,
After that day,
I became
I became
afraid of
afraid of
heights.
heights.
I was so scared
I was so scared
that
that
it kept
it
me
kept me
from enjoying
from enjoying
some of
some of
my favorite things.
my favorite things.
I walked
I walked
past
past
the
the
world
world
every day,
every day,
and I would think about
and I would think about
climbing that ladder
climbing that ladder
again.
again.
I really
I really
missed
missed
the
the
birds
birds
and being high
and being high
above the city.
above the city,
But I could never do it
but I could never do it
because
because
I knew that
I knew that
accidents
accidents
can happen.
can happen.
수고했습니다.